Oh guys, with the blessing name of Allah is most merciful and most beneficent. Our today video at the Google Gmail account settings. So first of all, I will go to my Gmail inbox. So I search here the Gmail login. Okay, I click to the Gmail login and click on Google account sign in. As soon as I click on Google account sign in, here is the option for security. After going or moving to the security tab, you have the other multiple options here. For example, password, second step verification, add a new password. So just I have to click here for the how can we change our password. So I click here and I have to provide my old password. Sorry, my password is here. Okay, so after providing my passwords, I will move forward, and now I have a suggestion to create a new password. So I have to create a new password, uh, and after that, okay, now I have to just click on change password. Oh, okay. Password has not been matching. You have to put your two passwords same, and then finally you have to click on change password. As soon as you click on change password, so your password will be changed. So actually, I don't want to change it now, so I move back and show you the two-step verification. And I move toward the two-step verification, and first of all I have to specify my password. Okay, I specify my password and then move toward the two-step verification. Here are the multiple options. You can see that is the phone number. Okay, and I click here and move forward so that I delete that number, and I will add a new number here. So turn on, and after that, first of all I have to specify my password, and after specifying my password I click on next, and after clicking the next I will okay continue, and that is my phone number. I click on next, and here in the password, okay wait, I put my password. So now I'm going to specify my code. Sorry. Oh no. Okay, you can see it has been updated. I click on turn on. As soon as I click on turn on, my password will be updated. So goodbye for today. If you find the video informative and knowledgeable, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also provide your suggestion in the comment box. I hope uh, you have understand all the things clearly. Keep your always and be happy. Goodbye for today.